14.
Welcome back. Well, it is the Lenten season, and on Fridays, many of us, especially the Catholics, have fish on the mind. And joining us to tell us about a very big fish fry that's been going on, Bob Duffin from the St. Bridget's Knights of Columbus in Scammon. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Good morning.
Now, you were just telling me you guys have like 200 people come for your Fish Friday celebrations.
That's what we've been averaging, about 200, 175, 200 every Friday night. We appreciate it. The last couple of years being with COVID, we have been serving carry-out only, but we're back to indoor seating and everybody in the area loves it. They start lining up. We actually start serving at 6, but they'll start coming in about 5:30. So they can just sit around and visit before we actually start serving.
And can you do to-go orders if you,
yes.
if you wanted to?
Oh yes, if you want to do to-go, you can come up in person, or there's a phone number. Actually, Pat Carlson answers the phone, and she'll take your order, and we'll have it ready for you when you get there.
Well, tell us what you get with your Fish Friday, with your fish fry meal.
You've got different combinations. It costs $15 a plate. You can have a catfish dinner, all catfish dinner, or you can have a all shrimp dinner, or you can have a combo of each. With the meal, you're going to get a baked potato or rice. You're going to get your choice. You're going to get either German coleslaw or creamy coleslaw, whichever way you want to go with that. And then for children, you also get a roll. And then with children, they've got their choice between mac and cheese or a cheese sandwich.
All right. Well, there's lots of options. That's pretty good.
Lots of options.
So you were telling me this was started back in 1998 as a way to raise money for the new parish hall.
Yes, it was. We were all sitting around trying to figure out what we could do. We were trying to put together the new parish hall. We had the old one. The old one was actually built back in 1951. And it was just, we were outgrowing it. So we were trying to figure out what we were going to do and how we were going to fund it. So we came up with this fish fry idea. So it's been going since 1998. We are the oldest in the area, so 25 years this year, and we're pretty proud of that.
That's impressive.
We've actually got both halls.
So what do you use the money you raise from these Friday events?
We do with different fundings. There's different charitable programs that we fund, and also if there's any kind of updates to the halls or to the church, the Knights are always there to help, and that's where the funding goes.
All right. So if you're interested in getting some good fried fish or shrimp, it sounds like too, make sure you make your way to St. Bridget's Parish Hall in Scammon, Kansas. And there's 3 more dates left for this Lenten season. You want to go over those? Yes,
we're going to be the 17th, of course, it's St. Patrick's Day, so come eat fish and eat your corned beef and cabbage on Saturday. Then we've got March 3rd, March 24th and the 31st. So,
and there's the phone number we put on the screen there for you that you can call if you want to make a to-go order or something.
That's true. That's true. That's my cell phone number.
Oh, oops.
That's my cell phone number. That's fine.
Well, I'm sure you'll take those as well.
That's true. Just give me a call. We'll make it happen.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in this morning. And all right, we will be right back.